If you're looking for that European sport luxury sedan, guess what? We got this pre-owned 2022 Mercedes Benz CLA 250. Got that Mercedes styling, 2-liter turbo underneath the hood, which means 36 miles per gallon highway. 19-inch blacked out wheels wrapped in sport all-season tires. Glass top means sunroof, moonroof for the front row. This is leather and suede on the doors, on the seats. Look at that, got the thigh extender there. We have our track pad for our center stack, also cup holders, connectivity, 12 volts power, all of our climate controls, and our fancy schmancy outlets here, our vents. Also, our center stack for all of our apps, and a full digital cockpit, leather wrapped steering wheel, flat bottom sporty, all of our hand free controls, and also billeted pedals. Second row, oh yeah, more of that leather and suede. So comfy on the doors, on the seats. We got a USB hub back here, vents for rear air, some webbing there for our extra goodies, and of course there are floor mats. They're in the trunk right now. We have a low profile spoiler and plenty of room right here in the trunk space. Also pull these levers, guess what? Second row goes down, plenty of room for more cargo on this pre-owned 2022 Mercedes Benz CLA 250 right here at Payne Pre Owned Harlingen. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.